Hey, poor guy. Hey, you. How are you? I'm going to attempt something today. It's actually a recipe. It's kind of a copycat recipe. Uh, there's a restaurant. I don't know if they have them wherever you all are, but it's Texas Roadhouse that we like. We hardly ever go out to dinner, but when we're up in Oklahoma City, if we got something special going on, we like to go there. One thing that I like to get is the herb crusted chicken. So I'm attempting to recreate that here in the poor guy household with all these different seasonings and some lemon and some chicken breast that I pounded out. We mixed everything together according to the recipe, and this is what we got. So actually, I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle this all in here now. And I need another plate. Uno momento. I got a plate right here. Watch. There. We're going to go ahead and take this chicken. Like I said, I pounded it out already. Just some thin chicken breast. We're going to coat that. It doesn't say to coat it in anything other than the seasoning. No oil or anything like that. And, well, I'll tell you, it smells good. And it seems pretty simple to do, so maybe I can even do it. If you're a subscriber, you know how we do things. We try things for the first time most of the time, and sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. If you're new here, if you're interested to see if I could actually do this, then stick around to the end of the video, please. That would be great. And the recipe calls for doing it in a skillet. I'm not doing it in a skillet. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the Blackstone because, it's like a really big skillet. So, yeah, it smells delicious. We are getting that nice and seasoned up. And then we're going to get the Blackstone going on a medium to high heat at first. Oh, yeah, that smells really good. And we are definitely crusting this chicken with herbs. And we're just going to put some olive oil down and we're going to cook it on each side for 5 minutes. And we'll let it cook there for a little while until we get an internal temperature of 165 degrees. That's what it calls for. Then we'll bring it in the house. We'll put a little bit of fresh lemon juice on it. Let it rest for 5 minutes and give it a taste test. I'm excited because I love this stuff. When I go there, it's pretty much all I'll get. So we'll see if we can recreate it somewhat the same. Meet me outside. Peace. Here's the chicken. Here's the Blackstone. Put some olive oil down there. This side is on, well, it's on high because I wanted to get warmed up. We're going to turn it down a little bit. There's our chicken. It shouldn't be too complicated, I wouldn't think. We're just cooking the chicken at this point. Well, I'll tell you, the blend of herbs smells really good. It smells really good. Uh, I can go ahead and share the ingredients in the description box. I think I should be able to figure that out. Basically, it's what do we say? Some dill, a couple tablespoons of dill, oregano, paprika, not smoked, just called for regular paprika, onion or garlic powder, salt, pepper, basil, right? And that was pretty much it. I may be missing something, but I'll go ahead and share that in case it's something you're interested in. Uh, Whenever we do go to Roadhouse, this is what I'll get. It's simple, uh, and it's always pretty good. And then we squeeze that lemon on there. You can taste the lemon at the end. So it's a good chicken dish. I enjoy it. Poor guy outdoor cooking. Hey, listen, I told a few friends of mine that I was going to take a break from doing videos for a while. I still might, but Don didn't think I had it in me to take a break. Because it is, anyone that's a content creator, sometimes it gets a little much with everything else you got going on in your life. So kind of at that point, but we'll see how it goes. So you're supposed to cook it for about 5 minutes and then flip it. I'm not gonna wait 5 minutes. I'm gonna flip it. Oh yeah, that's good looking. That's good looking chicken. Now it's gonna have some flavor because that's quite a bit of spice on there. Yeah, that's looking good already. Man, if you could smell it, right? It smells very good. Now, if you're not into these spices that are on here, obviously you're not going to like it, but it is definitely herb crusted chicken. Ain't no doubt about it. All right, we're not going to sit here and make you watch us cook chicken until it's done. I'm going to temp it after about 5-6 more minutes. Make sure we're at the internal temperature that we need to be safe, and then we'll do a little taste test. Yeah, try to speed things up so you're not just listening to me yapper and watch this chicken cook. Sound like a plan? Come on back. Peace. Okay, we're gonna put some lemon on. There it is. I mean, it's looking good. What do we do it this way, right? Yeah. So let's get some lemon. Dawn doesn't want a lot of lemon on hers, so I'll leave that big piece on the end. Kind of lemon free ish. I think I'm only gonna do half an onion. Onion, half an onion. These onion lemons, they're awesome because that's giving off quite a bit. So I'm not even sure if Don and Tori are gonna like this. I'm not even sure. I'm gonna like it, but as soon as Tori comes out, we're gonna give this a whirl. Yeah, I'm excited about this to see if it's even remotely close to what I get when I go to Texas Roadhouse. So come on back here and we'll give it a little taste test. Peace. Hey, Tori's here with us. We're going to give this a try. I just sliced up a piece. And let's give this a try. You guys have never had it, right? Mm-mm. So I'm going to be the judge on whether or not it's tastes like it. And these two are going to see if they actually like it. So cheers, everybody.
That's really good.
Good.
It is herby.
It's herby, all right.
And lemony. A little bit too much lemon.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
It's good.
Okay, it tastes like the flavor that I'm used to when I go there. I can't argue with that. The flavor's right on. Personally, I think it's got too much. So maybe the amount of spice that I put on should be for more chicken than just those four pieces. But all in all, it's very, very good. It's what I've come to expect when I go there and get this dish. The chicken is juicy and tender, as you can see. It's good. I like it.
Yeah, it's good.
Hopefully you two do, because if we do, we'll tweak it a little bit. I think it needs a little bit more salt, a little less oregano and basil. Yeah, all in all, it's very good. Give it a try if there's something you're interested in. Yeah, that's what we got for you. See you sometime. Peace.